another video where today Louie missed. So we've got as many attempts until we hit one of the woodwork.
But if he hits it,
right now,
and then I hit it, we carry on.
Yeah.
But if he hits it and I miss,
come on. Hello, Poppy. Look at Poppy. She had a haircut.
go. Yes.
Oh, that was such a good shot as well.
This
might just be 1 minute long.
Yeah, I know. If you do it right now, I'm done. Don't do it right now, please. Yes! We are shaking a tablet. I don't know where it's going to be. Here you go.
Come on, I can hit it. I can hit it, can't I? I can hit it, can't I?
No, you can't.
Yo. Come on. No.
Yeah! No! He's so good. He's so good in my head. Did you break anything?
Yeah.
What did you break? Josh.
You bricked. Hi.
I'm holding it over the pool.
Louie, no. Hey, you!
You're gonna miss.
Yeah, I got some of you.
No, you didn't. And Josh, just remember. Okay, I'm just gonna video mine. No, let's not do that. That's so hard.
That counts.
Yeah, that does count, but let's not do that from now on. Although you have to do it once for you.
Hello.
You have to do it once for you.
I want to do it on my next go.
Okay. But Josh, there might not be a next go. You have to do it now.
Oh yeah.
No. Yeah, you have to.
I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it right now.
No, you have to video it.
No, I'm doing it right now. Get here anyway. Watch. No!
Get wrecked. Take it. Get wriggly wrecked.
Oh.
So lonely without nobody.
I want to hit the ball and hit the bar. No, the post. That's it. I'm aiming for the post.
Go on then. Yay! Hamburger cheese and the lettuce and the butter. Hamburger cheese and the lettuce and the butter. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball.
No, you have to get it. You have to get it.
No, you get it.
No, you.
I have to film this. You retard.
I'm going to get it straight away. I can't even kick a ball.
I'm going to get it up close.
I'm at the goal.
No, I'm going to aim at you then follow it really quick.
No, just aim at the goal. Is it good?
Yeah,
Are you showing the whole goal?
yeah. I still have a chance. Come on, boys! Come on! He's not gonna get it. If he actually gets it, this is just been a long video. Bring that, Louie! You're not gonna hit it, are you? You're not gonna hit it.
You never know.
You never know what you're gonna get. flip you hoop. Squish it, yeah.
I love doing this.
You're lonely. It's an egg shape. Oh yeah, that's enough.
There.
Go on. Hold on. Get close up. Go on then. Yeah! Woo! Celebrate, Louie, celebrate! Yeah! Woo!
Josh, will we just carry on?
No.
No, because we don't want a video to be 3 minutes long.
So? You have to have done that. No, you have to do it. Only got one hand.
Put the tablet down.
No.
Drop it.
Right, we're doing the second leg. Yeah?
What's that?
Second leg. That means the second match. Like that. I get start. Yeah?
You started last.
Okay. Oh! Don't try that like me!
Okay, I'm going to hit it first time.
No, you're not. Hold on, what? Hold on. My thing. I have to put it down, yeah. Hold on. Up close, yeah. Go on then.